Welcome to Nutrition House Software demo video. With our software, you'll be able to build out custom meal plans for clients as well as organize and communicate with your clients. You'll have your coaches and customers organized in the Users tab. You'll be able to navigate to your users. You'll be able to navigate to your users to keep them organized. They'll fill out an online questionnaire and they'll be submitted into your system here. You can create plans for your users and set baseline calculations. You'll be able to keep track of their calorie goals as well as their macronutrient goals, and the system will do that for you. You can keep track of their progress all in one place, so you can track their images week to week as well as their body fat percentage and weight. You'll be able to communicate with your clients right in the system with our Bright Spots communication feature. And you'll be able to build out custom meal plans with our drag and drop feature. You can choose from the hundreds of food items and recipes that we have in the system. You can also upload your own food items or any recipes that you like as well to use with your own clients. And you can simply search for food items here and drag and drop them right into the meal plan. You'll be able to change the quantity and you can keep track of the totals as you're building out that meal plan. You'll also be able to search by tags. As we've tagged our recipes, you can add as many tags to the search bar as you'd like. And when you add your own recipes, you'll be able to add tags or create your own tags as well. You can also copy and paste full weeks or all plans, and you can paste those into another user, so you can use those as a template with multiple clients. You can also view all the days next to each other here. And you can view the shopping list that your client will have access to as well, which will be organized and your clients will be able to print those out. You'll have access to all of the food items in the database, which you can filter out by macro or search for keywords. And then you'll have access to all of our macro-friendly recipes as well. You can also search by tags here. And you can also add any recipes that you'd like to the system. Using our software, you can grow and scale your coaching business to take on more clients and create a stronger nutrition coaching business for you and your clients. Make sure to sign up for your 14-day free trial through the sign up link to get started today.